Hey everyone, how's it going today? I'm cryptoFOXXY, and thank you so much for stopping by my channel. So in this video, we are going to talk about Bitcoin halving. It is upcoming on Saturday, on the 20th of April. It's something we've been anticipating for quite a while. I remember back on the last halving thinking, oh, four years away? Are we actually going to wait that long? Well, it has been a quick 4 years despite the unruly bear market that we endured. But here we are, and we're going to look at what could possibly be going on after the halving occurs. Are we going to see an instant rise, or are we going to see basically a sell the news event, maybe a pullback, or maybe just kind of a sideways action summer? Well, we're going to get into that in this video. Smash the like button and subscribe for more cryptocurrency news. This is something that aligns with my views. I'm not a bear, not at all, but these situations are something we can't really ignore, and I'm predicting that we could potentially see a pretty, volatile summer. We could see, some sell-offs, some sideways action, and then most likely in October. October is usually a pretty good month for cryptocurrency. I think we're going to see, October, November, and December. We're going to see a massive run then. But normally we don't see a massive run right after the halving. We see, a little bit of volatility, etc. And I think that's what's going to happen here. And I'm going to use this time to basically reaffirm my positions in a lot of my high conviction plays. So that's my strategy. So let's talk about what we have that to look forward to and what we have to basically keep watch of, because it could definitely impact our strategy and our trading plans, right? So experts are predicting a fall below 60K for Bitcoin and a consolidation rally upside after the Bitcoin halving. And today, Bitcoin's price fell to a low of 59,768. So we did see the under 60K there. So what we are looking at right now is Bitcoin options are going to expire. So let's talk about what that means. So Bitcoin halving is estimated on Saturday. Before that, over 2 billion Bitcoin and Ethereum options are set to expire on Friday. So that's tomorrow. So over 21,000 Bitcoin options of notional value of $1.30 or dollar. Oh my goodness. 1.35 billion are set to expire. So we also have 27,000 Ethereum options as well. But the major test for the market comes with my mouse here. The major test for the market comes during the monthly expiry on April 26th. So this is going to be just after the halving. 88,000 Bitcoin options are going to expire with a value of 5.5 billion. The max pain price is about 60K, signaling high odds of Bitcoin price trading below the 60K mark after the halving. So we also have 860,000 Ethereum options of about 2.6 billion are set to expire. The max pain point is about 3,100 there. The market will brace for more than 8 billion in Bitcoin and Ethereum options expiry. Point blank, that's what we're looking at. So, that is something that we have to watch, because this could bring in some high volatility, but it could also bring in some opportunity, right? So if you've been waiting to, get Bitcoin or to get your favorite altcoin at a cheaper price, this could be your opportunity. What else we also have is a Bitcoin historical pattern. We saw a pre-halving sell-off similar to the past Bitcoin halving events. All-time high usually takes a few months. It's not something that happens right away. We see the halving, we see consolidation, volatility, etc., and what we normally see, and then we will see our parabolic run. Bitcoin tends to have a bearish Q2 and Q3, and believes the trend. This analyst believes the trend will continue this year. I do believe that as well. We normally see cryptocurrency start to run in October, November, that type of thing, because people kind of take the summers off sometimes, right? And I think that's what's probably going to happen again. So we also have Fed rate cut delays and macro uncertainty. So hotter than average, or hotter than expected CPI, PPI, and PCE inflation figures came in. So the Fed could be looking at delaying rate cuts for the United States. They did mention that there could be two this year, but they're not anticipating it to happen right yet. We also have the Iran and Israeli tensions, unrest in the Middle East. I'm not minimizing what's going on there, but we all know what's going on there, so I'm not going to cover it too much in this video. So that is something that is looming overhead as well. So Bitcoin ETF outflows. We are seeing spot Bitcoin ETFs with a fourth consecutive outflow this week, which means there's more selling than there is buying. And so with a net outflow of 165 million on Wednesday. bank runs due to BTFP end. So the Treasury Reserve balances are falling. We could see some banks fail again as the Fed delays rate cuts and conditions look grim there. So the BFTP is an emergency lending program created by the Federal Reserve to provide additional funding to banks if they need it. So that is also, something that is looming overhead. So we do have some factors, kicking around right now. Things aren't looking, ideal really for any major runs anytime soon. However, I still think that the Bitcoin halving is still going to be a significant event, but I don't think we are going to see, anything come about it for the next few months. I'm looking at most likely the end of September, start of October, that kind of area. That's what I'm looking at. So my plan right now is to learn as much as I can. I'm going to start doing more videos and more research on tokenization, real world assets. And I'm also going to be looking at more gaming plays. I have my AI stuff down pat. I think I'm pretty comfortable with what I have. So I'm going to take this time to really look into RWA and some more gaming plays. And so just watch out. I'll bring you guys some more videos on that as well. I just want to thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.